असतं. तुम्ही एव्हरी टाइम तुम्ही सायलेंट मोडान असता.
What is it?
You always been a silent mode being a youth president. You have रस्त्यार आमी केन्ना प्रोटेस्ट म्हणटा ते केन्नाच पळयना.
Kuddo.
रस्त्यार आहा मरे आमी
Kuddo. Are you blind? I'm asking you a question. Are you blind? Yes or no? You tell me.
I am not, but the way you are speaking, you speak properly.
ए आमी रस्त्यार आहा मरे.
We are on the road now, and you're telling me you're not looking at us.
Always. You cannot use this language. Okay? You cannot answer this way. Okay? Today I have seen you today only. That's why I asked you. I have seen you today only.
You just mentioned where you were.
See, we have taken multiple protests for different issues. We have protested for smart city at least 4-5 times. For the multiple issues in the last, I think 3 months, we must have protested at least 10-12 times. You cannot expect us to protest every day. You understand?
तुमचं strength as per the strength तुमचं खंय दिसना न्ही रस्त्यार. Like other political parties, we can see the strength. You are youth president now.
You will see our strength in the upcoming elections. I thought of addressing something that occurred recently, and I believe it's essential to offer a sincere apology. First and foremost, let me say that I have the utmost respect for the work that journalists do. I myself have spent a significant portion of my career as a journalist, and I understand the challenges and the responsibilities that come with this position. During a recent protest, I made a statement that was unintentionally offensive to one, and for that I regret my choice of words. I have always strived to uphold the principles of truth, integrity, and open dialogue, both as a journalist and a politician. It is in this spirit that I offer my sincere apologies. Moving forward, I hope we can move past this incident and continue to work together in the spirit of mutual respect and understanding.